Hi, clarinet players. I want to go over a couple of things. Some of us forgot our instruments this week and we had someone that was absent. So it's really important that we all work on this together. And it's really important that when we come to school on Fridays, we bring our clarinets with us. I want you to double check that your reed looks like mine. I also need you to make sure that you are getting the entire reed, the thin part, wet. If you don't get the bottom down here wet, it will not create a sound. And if your reed is too high off the mouthpiece, it will not create a sound. You need to go over your mouth shape. This is really important. We are using masks when we're playing inside, so I cannot see your faces, which is making this a bit of a challenge because we're not using proper mechanics. We're not putting our mouth the right way, and we're struggling with when we hold the instrument, and it's a lot harder when I can't see your face. So try to pause the video and match my face and go back and forth while you're practicing. Remember, your bottom lip goes over your bottom teeth. Your top teeth go on the mouthpiece. They go to about here. Some of you have your teeth up at the tippy top, and some of your teeth all the way down here, okay? Also, look at my chin. I'm sitting up nice and tall. My chin's not tucked down like this. Chin's kind of up a little bit, but my clarinet is down. It's not out like this. So you're sitting up. Bottom lip goes over your bottom teeth. Top teeth on the mouthpiece. Blow. The first thing you have to do is pause this video, match your face to mine, and see if you can create a sound on the mouthpiece and the barrel that extends for 4 beats. You have to get your air pushing through. You cannot be afraid of the sound you're making. So I want you to try to play this sound for 4 beats. We need to be solid here before we go together here. So try that again. Bottom lip, top teeth. Don't move it in your mouth. The other really big thing that I noticed this week is that we don't understand how to hold the clarinet. Your clarinet has a thumb rest. That means your thumb literally rests underneath. A lot of you are not letting the thumb rest touch your thumb, and you're gripping the clarinet, so you're smushing all these keys down and it's not going to play. You need to hold the clarinet right like this, so it goes on top of your thumb, kind of balances. Your fingers come over here. My hands are not touching. You cannot use your bottom hand to hold the clarinet except for your thumb. You should be able to hold the clarinet up with just one hand and only one balance point right here on your thumb. Now, I'm going to turn to the side. I need you to freeze the screen, pause it, and look at yourself. Do you look like me? Is your chin up but your clarinet down? So chin is up, clarinet is down. I'm not pushing anything down. I'm not pushing anything down. In fact, if it's easy for you, maybe you should do this with your hands. Does your face look like mine? We're not sticking our clarinets like this. We're not tucking our chin in. Your chin is up, but your clarinet is down. You're not smushing the keys. You're balancing on the thumb rest. I really need you guys to work on pushing air through. Just focus on that G, just getting your G to sound for 4 beats. Bottom lip, top teeth. And then try it again. Keep it in one place. If you're not getting a sound, you're either blowing too hard and biting, or you're not blowing hard enough. It's in between. Okay? You have to practice on this bottom hand. Also, very important, your right hand is on the bottom and your left hand is on the top. Now, when you go to play the F, you must cover this hole with your thumb. A few of us were not understanding that. You have to push the key down with your thumb. Cover the hole and push it down. So when I play the F, my clarinet is balancing on the thumb rest and just my F is being pushed down. I'm exaggerating with my hands because too many of you guys are doing this. So if it's easier for you, get your fingers away. So make sure that hole in the back is covered for the F with your thumb. Make sure that you're balancing the clarinet on your other thumb. F again. And then the E, we keep our thumb pushed down and we're going to add our first finger. So we're just pinching. Okay, again, I'm not pushing anything down over here. I'm not holding the clarinet with my hand over here. I'm balancing it on my thumb. So those are your G, your F, and your E. And I really need you to focus on just getting the sound to produce. We can't read the music if we can't get our sound to produce. And it's a lot harder when you put a mask on your face. I can't see your face. So this week I need you to just focus on getting a sound to come out for 4 beats. G, and then F, and then E for 4 beats, and holding your clarinet the right way. Your right hand is on the bottom, your left hand is on the top, and you are balancing the instrument on the thumb rest. It has to touch your thumb. Let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.